Ayoko ng flowers. Nasabi mo na rin ba yan noon? But over time, you know what I realized? Sometimes it's not just really about the flowers, but the act of receiving flowers from someone. It can really brighten someone's mood. Look at those beautiful smiles, guys.
Okay, let's say goodbye to the mean girl of this group. Are we guys happy? Actually!
Jokes aside, come with me as we do the preps for her send-off.
Mukha lang silang madumi guys, pero naka-plastic na. Yung plastic yung madumi. What if ito na lang? Bakit may pang sabong? So I'm trying to find mga pwedeng pang regalo. What if ito na lang? I'll be buying flowers later.
What if ito kasi sa Thailand siya pupunta?
Cute na.
So tara, bili tayo ng flowers sa market. So God wants to give His beautiful daughters some flowers, kaya samahan niyo ko bumili. Medyo nakaka-vertigo lang yung mga videos, pero wala eh.
Magkano po sa may carnation? I'll be reading first while waiting for some friends na papunta naman na din daw sila. I'm so early kasi 5 o'clock pa yung ganap namin. It's 3. Hindi ako marunong. 3:30, 35, 40, 45, 48. It's 3:48. I'm reading this book, Love Skip Jump. They were looking for these characters. Ay, ang cute! Gusto ko nilang keychain. Nila alam na aalis ka na.
Ay, si Jessica, akala ko alam.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi ko alam. Sige.
Hindi, ang bilis pala kausap. Nirentahan to. Ito talaga yung magmi-meet dapat eh. Jessa and friends.
Ready na ako.
Anong favorite flower? Tulips. Ikaw, Yubel?
Daisies and lilies.
Daisies and lilies. Ikaw, Dre?
I forgot what it's called. Yung sa night lang nagbo-bloom.
Ikaw, Sam?
Hindi ko alam, pero yung maliliit siya na ano. Parang maliliit na sunflower. Diba? Pero daisy, parang ang ganda ng base. Diba? Tsaka hydrangea.
Ano yun? Big
House and lot, tsaka garden.
Grabe yung mga ano nyo.
Yes, kuya. -2.
Kuya, 2 points po for Dre kasi lagi niya po akong binabara.